A seemingly perfect lifestyle, but danger lurks even when everything seems fine. Managing our cholesterol levels and blood pressure helps to maintain our cardiovascular health. However, we seldom pay attention to our blood flow. Blood is made up of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. These flow easily when our blood flow is smooth. But as we grow older, blood lipids and blood sugars start to accumulate and form plaque on blood vessel walls. Platelets become spiky and hyperactive. These spiky platelets increase in number and start to clump together. This causes blood vessels to become stiffer, less elastic, and brittle. Some of the plaque may break off and form blood clots. As blood vessels become narrower, our heart needs to pump harder, thus resulting in high blood pressure. This further damages the blood vessel. If blood clots occur in the brain, it could lead to a stroke. If blood clots occur in a coronary blood vessel, it could lead to a heart attack. This could happen to anyone, anytime, anywhere. How can we help our blood to flow smoothly? By using drugs. Angioplasty. Bypass surgery. Is there any all-natural alternative solution that does not require any drugs or surgery and carries no risks? Introducing a revolutionary formulation with 2 powerful ingredients for tri-action blood flow solution. First ingredient, patented tomato aqueous extract, T.A.E., a natural, safe and scientifically substantiated solution for healthy blood flow. Second ingredient, L-Arginine, a vital fuel needed to produce nitric oxide, NO, is inspired by Nobel Prize-winning scientific research. Over 3,000 studies show that NO in our body can help to maintain healthy blood vessels. Tri-action blood flow solution also contains proprietary synergistic nutrients to support a healthy circulatory system. First action, T.A.E. smoothens spiky platelets. A clinical study showed that T.A.E. has anti-platelet aggregation effect. Second action, NO inhibits plaque formation by dissolving blood clots and dilating blood vessels. Third action, NO manages blood pressure levels by restoring damaged blood vessels and elasticity of blood vessels. Thus, it helps to promote healthy blood flow and protects the heart. Tri-action blood flow solution. No chemicals, no hormones, no side effects. Take care of your heart today with Tri-action blood flow solution.